The LUXEBYTE Gaming PC White offers impressive performance with its AMD Ryzen 5 7600X processor, clocked at 4.7 GHz, ensuring a smooth computing experience. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB graphics card, it delivers stunning visuals, allowing you to enjoy both creative and productivity tasks at their best. With 32 GB of DDR5 RGB RAM, this PC provides the speed and efficiency needed for multitasking and heavy workloads. The 2x16 GB configuration ensures that you can easily run demanding applications without experiencing any slowdowns. For storage, the 1TB NVMe SSD offers incredibly fast read and write speeds, reducing load times and giving you ample space for all your files, software, and games. The LUXEBYTE Gaming PC White comes with a reliable 650W White PSU that ensures consistent power delivery for your system's needs. You won't have to worry about performance dips due to power shortages or instability. Its 360mm AIO cooling system, paired with 6 Black Mirror White RGB fans, provides excellent airflow and cooling, keeping your components running efficiently even during intense usage. This PC is Wi-Fi ready, ensuring you can connect to wireless networks without additional adapters. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, providing a modern, secure, and efficient operating system right out of the box. The design features a sleek, all-white color scheme with RGB lighting, giving it a stylish, modern aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any setup. Whether for everyday use, business tasks, or light gaming, this system is ready for all your computing needs. It's also plug and play, which means you can start using it right away without the hassle of setting up or installing additional components. For those who require high performance and aesthetic appeal, the LUXEBYTE Gaming PC White delivers a powerful and reliable solution for both personal and professional use. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a stylish, high-performance PC with no compromise on speed or efficiency.